Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change the taskbar color on your Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Just like we're going to Start button one time. Select the setting gear icon on the left side, we hover over it says Settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the personalization tile. Select the colors on the left side. And then scroll down where it says choose your accent color. So just scroll down the right side until you see where it says show accent color on the following surfaces. And go ahead and check mark versus start taskbar in Action Center. And then you can go ahead and select your color choice up here under Windows Colors. And then your taskbar color will change accordingly. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.